Today on the Goofy's podcast, the update on the Free Britney movement and yesterday's court case. Lexi, how did you think it went yesterday with the court case on the conservatorship?
Well, Danny, what I saw on the news and what I keep reading, it seems like even the court or the whoever was able to listen into it, and it was a closed session, as we all know. It seems like she represented herself really well. Supposedly, she was very collective, but very emotional. She really spoke out. She didn't hold back this time. I think is all might hopefully turn out in her favor.
I agree. I think it went pretty good. As we know, they weren't allowed to record her testimony, which was remote. However, the reporters were allowed to take notes. So we got to hear from those notes. And it sounded like Britney was very composed, direct. She spoke her mind, and she made it very, very clear for the first time that she's unhappy for the last 13 years with the conservatorship. Was that your impression as well?
Oh, absolutely. She just actually I think she used the word slavery. I mean, that's a very strong, that must leave a very strong impression to the judge when a 40-year-old woman is talking about slavery. Definitely very different when a 12-year-old child says it, but she's a 40-year-old woman in 12 years slavery. Unreal.
Yeah, that is a travesty that this has gone on so long. There is some kind of a waiting period, I guess, before they make a decision. Do you think everybody, all the fans, all the celebrities, influencers should be making a effort to keep putting pressure, as you called it yesterday, keep dropping the hammer? Should we keep doing that?
Oh, absolutely. Even harder and even louder. I mean, unreal. And I hope this is a new judge. It's not the same dude. A new judge who's truly listened to her, a new psychologist who's listened. I mean, they say there's a major evaluation about her mental capacity. Well, let's hope so.
I agree. Now, what did you think about the fans who came out there in droves? I mean, there were some amazing photos from in front of the courthouse. What was your impression about the fans?
Oh, bravo to them. Kudos to them. I think it's just this whole movement just started with a very few people. And now look at it. It's almost international wide. It's just, so keep on going, fans. Speak out loud.
Yeah, they were wonderful. Also on the Goofy's podcast video on YouTube, we got an overwhelming support, comments, feedback. Well, this was the most that we've ever gotten started the podcast. Was that your impression?
Yes, it definitely seemed to be a lot of people who spoke up and supported her. And that's only on one channel. So keep on going. Everywhere where you see the word Britney, just keep on going.
So, Lexi, what are the future steps? What are we going to pay attention to in the coming days, weeks?
Well, I hope, Danny, is going to be days where we're going to pay attention to the judge's ruling. I hope it's going to be a very favorable judgment, and they're going to lift the conservatorship for her. So she is going to be finally a free woman again.
Great. All right, Goofies, you heard it. Show your support, spread the message, share this video to your social media, subscribe, and also give us your feedback. Point us in the right direction and give us information, because me and Lexi, we're learning about this and we are both appalled, as you can tell. And we want to help with the little bit of following that we have. We're going to share the message.
Okay, Goofy fans, we love you and you love us. Show it to us. Give us a thumb up. Give us a little heart and be kind. Be kind and supportive to Britney.
All right, everybody, as you heard it, great job yesterday. Keep up the fight for Britney, and we'll see you at the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.